Oh, lots of water.
Wait. Dad.
Oh, the Hello Kitty. Oh, be careful. Si Hello Kitty din papansin.
Dad, I need more body.
You need more Barbie? More Barbie?
Yeah.
How come? You got lots of Barbie already.
I did one more.
Andun
Wait.
si-
Take it.
Okay, you need more Barbie? Okay. More Barbie pa daw, Diyos. Yan guys, busy siya. Siya lang mag-isa maglaro dyan. Ayan. Wala man siyang kalaro, oy. Oh, you found another Barbie?
Dad, I
Oh.
want to pee.
Okay,
I want to
go.
pee. Yeah, okay.
May bag. Sino to? Uy, Taraya. Hi. Hello. O ba? I'm the new kid on the block. Kumusta kayo? Gusto niyo ba ang aking buhok? Feel ko nga. Bayad na kayo ng utang, guys. Hello. Ito si Ken. Singilin natin si Ken. Ito yung mga friends ko, mga socialera. Tulog sila. Ayan. So, dito lang ako. Wala pang amo ko, guys. Naiihi daw. Umihi pa. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Here you go. Ayan na siya. You got lots of toys, Dilana. Why? What happened? You okay?
I'm ready. Okay.
More Barbie pa daw ni. Bakit ang dami na niyang Barbie?
Do you want to dad?
Okay.
Yeah, my body.
Oh, you had those.
Do it on you. More body.
Tignan ko. Ilan yung Barbie mo?
Can you count your Barbie, anak?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 10.
Dami. Ano yan? Baby niya?
Yeah.
Naku, ang ganda pala, no? May baby.
Oh, maganda pala yung nabili. Oo.
Hindi namin alam na ganun eh.
Maganda pala.
Basta ninampot na lang.
Naka-sale ba?
Busy, that in my teeth. Okay, come in there. I'm gonna be in it. So I did it. Oh, I did it. I'm pretty us. Do you book? Yeah. They are in my book. How about that? Is it okay? Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof, woof. This one, but I done that.
All done now?
No, I need more body. Oh, I already.
No, we don't need a more Barbie. We got so much Barbie already. See, everything is a Barbie in the house now.
This one.
Yeah, I think we have enough
I need
Barbie.
This too. I need this.
Oh, really?
And I want boat. More boat.
Oh, you want more boat?
No, more here.
Maybe that one, Jelana, that box.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. Oh! What? Yeah, so that's more.
I will tell you later.
Oh, what? Tummy.
I will just. I will Stop it here.